Hey YouTube, C-Tube TV. It's been a while, but I bought me a new guitar. I know what y'all are thinking, I don't need no more, but you know, of all the guitars I have, I didn't have this model, and Rich was showing his new guitar, and it kind of got me in the guitar buying mood, so I found a guitar that I didn't have anything like, and it's a Fender Squier Telecaster Affinity series. It's a sunburst, kind of like what he had, the two-tone sunburst, and I think it's going to really look cool. I hope we're fixing to look at it. I just got it in. I bought it from Austin Bazaar down there in Austin, Texas. It comes with a free warranty, and it was $179. So let's see if Federal Express got it safe and sound to my house. So here we go. Basically, it looks like they just took the fender box and left it in there. Okay, let me set it down here real careful like. Dump out the case candy. There's no case candy. Maybe it's taped to the guitar. So let's see what we got. Let me lower the camera down a little bit so you can see it. Okay, let's see. We have 2 Allen wrenches right there. Got silver wrapped around the top. Looks like the neck made it. Here we go. Still got the plastic on it. It's got one little scratch right there. The frets look pretty good. They're not too hard off the edges. Crafted in China. Has sealed tuners. Let me give you a picture of the neck. It's a picture of the back. Definitely see the wood through the two-tone sunburst. It's got the Squier Fender cover there. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a little nick, but maybe it'll buff out. So it looked like it got to me in one piece. Let's plug it in and see what it sounds like. I don't know if they ship it. It's a little out of tune, so let's get the tuner out, and we'll see how well it tunes up. Doesn't quite sound exactly how I hoped, but maybe it'll, is this, put some different strings on it. Sounds okay, it's just, it's a little thin. See what it does if I go to distortion. Supposed to have a 9.5-inch radius, C, whatever they call the C design. You know, I take it back. You roll the tone control down and it kind of mellows out the highs a little bit. This is my first maple neck guitar. They say if it's not rosewood and it's this maple type neck, that it gives you a little bit of brighter tone. That's a lot better. See, with the tone all the way up, it has a little bit of bite, so I like to turn the tone down. Anyway, there you go. Fender Squier. Made in China. Thanks for watching.